Hi everyone, this is 6 Storm Team meteorologist Ken Weathers with your forecast discussion here on this Saturday. Today's definitely the better day of the two this weekend for outdoor plans. We'll see mostly sunny skies, a few thin clouds from time to time, especially this afternoon, but temperatures are close to average. We'll get in the upper 50s. Some rain returns to the area tomorrow, even some rumbles of thunder possible as a dynamic storm system heads our way. There's actually a high wind watch posted for the mountains for tomorrow. But enjoy today. Again, sunshine helping to warm temperatures up into the low 50s and a light southerly wind as well, so it looks very nice. We'll see upper 50s close to 60 for some spots as we head into mid-afternoon, and that should be our high for the day. And then temperatures slower to cool off tonight because of the light southerly winds and also some cloud cover around. So at 7:30 when the game's underway there at Neyland Stadium or about to kick off, we'll see temperatures at 47 degrees falling into the low 40s as we go through the night. Sunset, or kickoff rather, at 7:30, sunsets at 5:29. All right, here's what it's looked like throughout the overnight and early morning hours. Some thin clouds coming in from the west, and that moisture pretty much falling apart in this drier air, but that won't be the case as we go into tomorrow. Notice just some thin clouds from time to time into the afternoon, keeping it dry all the way up through tonight as well, so you're fine again heading over to the ball game. Clouds, though, build overnight, and we'll see some scattered showers start to roll into the area. There's midday tomorrow, or at least lunchtime, and you still see some steadier rain across much of Georgia, the Carolinas, and back to the west along the Mississippi River, but all that will continue to fill in and move to the north and east as we go, especially afternoon and evening across the area. Now, this is a warm front lifting across the area. The main cold front comes through early on Monday, and you see that thin sliver of rain there. That's kind of the back edge of that cold front that'll be sliding through as we go to about midday on Monday. It's going to be breezy as well throughout this time period. In fact, take a look at the forecasted wind gusts starting tomorrow morning at 7 a.m. We're already seeing winds gusting 30 to 40 miles per hour in portions of the Smokies, and it gets even worse as we head into the afternoon. Anywhere where you see this red, those are winds gusting over 50 miles per hour, and that will be the case throughout much of the afternoon and evening for some of these areas. So just be careful, okay, if you're going to be camping, hiking in the area in general. Just know we could see some trees or even some power lines come down in some spots. In fact, the high wind watch there posted for Sunday night into Monday, meaning winds could gust 50 to 60 miles per hour at times. Again, that's tomorrow. Today looks great. Temperatures warming into the upper 50s, which is right on target. Temperatures slow to cool down tonight to near 40 degrees, and that's where we're going to start early on our Sunday. Showers, some rumbles of thunder look likely for much of the area Sunday, and that tapers off early Monday as that cold front comes through, and then we will see some cooler air in here next week. Now, that turkey looks a little chilly there on our Thanksgiving Thursday, and there could be a few flurries or light snow showers early in the day, but at this point I'm not expecting any travel concerns, and it looks fine for holiday shoppers that are heading out early on that Friday morning, just kind of chilly with lows in the upper 20s. You can stay up to date at WATE.com for all your forecast information, or also follow me on Google+, Twitter, and also Facebook. Hope you have a great day. We'll see you back here this evening.